Okay, let's take a look at some more problems for practice. How about everybody try number 11? Okay, so we want to rewrite this thing. Let's make it radical 64. Here's the exponent, or power of 1. Here's the root. So that power of 1 you can pretty much disregard, can't you? All right, everybody, so the 6th root of 64. Do you know what that is off the top of your head? Let's check it out. 6th root. It's probably 2 of 64. Yep, it's 2. So this is going to be 2 to the first power, which that's just 2. All right, on to number 13. All right, so same concept. This is a radical 25, exponent of 3, root of 2. So you don't really need to write it, but you can if you'd like. So the square root of 25 is 5 to the third power, which is 125. Okay, there's 15 and 17. Let's reset that. How about 15? Everybody try that. Okay, this will be negative 243 to the first power. So I guess I don't even need to write that, do we? Anything in the first power is itself. So it's just a 5th root. Start understanding these a little bit better. You can go to your calculator for that. Now, this answer will be negative, because if you think about this, if you multiply a negative by itself 5 times, you get a negative. So let's do 5th root of negative 243. Negative 3. Negative 3 times itself 5 times gives you that. Excuse me. Okay, number 17. Now we see the negative exponent. Do you remember that that is a reciprocal? We've got to get our exponents in here. So this will be squared. And it is a cubed root. So the cubed root of 8 is 2. And this is being squared. So this is actually 1/4. How about some equations? Let's try number 35. Cubed root on both sides is going to work well for you. So those roots cancel each other out. X is the cubed root of 125, which is 5. 37. Okay, remember, do not subtract 10 first, right? We're going to do a 5th root instead. So that cancels those out. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't know what the 5th root of 70 is. It's some kind of a irrational number. It's a decimal. So let's subtract 10 from both sides. So x is going to be approximately, actually, I shouldn't put approximately. X actually equals negative 10, and this is a positive number, positive or plus the 5th root of 70. Now let's go to the calculator and let's see what that would be if we do an approximation. All right, so negative 10 plus, so I'm not going to do plus and minus. That's only reserved for even roots. Put in the fifth root of 70. So if we round that to the second decimal place, the hundreds, that would be negative 7.66. So there's an exact answer and an approximation. About 39. We got another one down here we'll get to in a second. Okay, so we should have done a fifth root. Squeeze that in there. Cancels these out. So x is going to equal the fifth root of negative 48. Now, I don't know if there is one, but we can try to find it on the calculator. So let's put in the fifth root of negative 48. It will be a negative number. Okay, this is an irrational number. So let's write the answer down. The 8 right there, that will round that 6 up. So this will be negative 2.17. I use those little wavy lines. That means approximately. And finally, or maybe not, let's go ahead and do this problem. Now we do see addition or subtraction first. That sixth root or sixth power requires a sixth root, which is an even root. So this will be plus or minus the sixth root of 64. Oh, is that 2? Oh, we're gonna have to look and see here. Sixth root it is 2, but it's plus and minus 2 because it's an even root. Negative 2 times itself 6 times would still be 64, wouldn't it? All right, let's see if we have some more practice problems we could try. Oh yeah, there's one down here. Okay, let's try this one. So we have a multiplication problem. What I would do is take its reciprocal, which is 3, and now let's get rid of the exponent by doing a fourth root Okay, it's an even root. See that? Requires a plus and minus when you solve equations. And that's going to be 3. Check it out on your calculators. It should be right. See what else we have. Okay, that's it.